Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Hope you all are fine. So, children, today we are going to do an activity. Today we are going to do an activity that is elephant making. Today we are going to make an elephant with the help of leaves. So, here the materials that we need is only some different types of leaves. So children, come, let's start the activity. Here we have some different types of leaves. Now here the first leaf I have taken. This is the biggest one. Now I will put it here. After this I'll take another leaf which is smaller than the previous one. This I will put it here to make the face of an elephant. Now after this we will take another leaf to make the ears. After this another leaf, that is small one. This we will put here in the back of this elephant. After this leaf we will use to make the legs. One more leaf of the same shape we will put it here. Here we have made the legs of elephant, 2 legs. Now after this leaf we will use to make the tail. So here we have made the elephant. Now the last step is to put the trunk. So here our elephant is ready. Now we will make the eyes of an elephant with the help of marker, black marker. So here our elephant is ready. So children, you also make this elephant at your home. Okay? So children, I hope you all like this activity. So you also try this activity at your home. Okay? Thank you all. Sai Ram.